Results are depressing. Have frameworks polluted our brain? Hey, web developers, what's the default HTTP method on a form element? Post, get, put? I assume the put's trolling. Does anybody here know? We can do a poll. Let's see where we land. Default method: get, post, put, delete. I am too dumb. I wonder if the internet has the correct answer. What does ChatGPT have to say? Right? Does ChatGPT even have an idea? All right, most people think get. Some people think post. A lot of people are too dumb. And then we have trolls. I have not personally hand-rolled a form in maybe 10 years. If I were a betting man, here's how I think about it. Get is for retrieving a resource. Post is for like writing a resource. A form is typically for gathering in information. So I would assume that it's post, but this is the web. And so I take what I assume and I flip it. I assume it's get. That's literally my thought process, is that it's probably get because that is what it is. HTTP method to submit the form. The post method, the method is sort with the request body. Get, the default. Yeah, boom. Get. That's what you got to do. If you go into the web thinking this makes any sort of sense, you shouldn't. Like, you really shouldn't. Like, forms should be post by default. Post is not idempotent. Yeah, I know, but it doesn't matter. Forms aren't supposed to be idempotent. I don't see how a form is supposed to be idempotent. A form is supposed to be my piece of information in which I am filling out, and I am uploading to something, right? Like, just the sheer thought process of a form should make sense that it is a post by default. But again, forms is for modifying state, exactly. So therefore, it should be get, because this is now the web. And web, well, it's the web. It's for sending data, and you can send data via query parameters, correct, but get doesn't make much sense, you know what I mean? So the only counter argument I have for it, by the way, is that forms were created so long ago that the idea was that forms were for getting stuff by specifying information. So therefore, it makes sense if you view it from that way. And if you look at it that way, it's a search input, then fair, right? 1994, web, not 2000. Yeah, forms are old, yes. So if that's the case, then I can understand get. But that's how I think through it. There you go. You guys just saw my thing. Nope, not fair. I think that's just because you don't have the ability to put yourself in older tech. Real talk. You just don't understand. And that's okay. You're what I call the ever-present progressive. All things must be thought about in today's current thought process. But the reality is that that's not how the internet used to work. You know? The internet was read only for a long time. Anyways, today we learned that we all suck at the internet, except for, well, not everybody. There's a lot of, I mean, it's about 50-50. It's a little bit more than half don't know the internet. I only got the internet right by guessing, right? I only got it right by guessing my way there.